You guys, Amazon Black Friday deals are here. They're released. Let me tell you, and these sales are amazing. And I am all here for it. If you like me, as I always say, I love to shop, but I love to save even more. So if you all for the shopping, but you want to do some saving, this is what I'm here for. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys things that I have, that I love, and that I would totally buy again. So hopefully you find this video extremely helpful because I don't want you wasting your money. If you guys want to shop the items from this video, I will leave the links in the description box and in the comments. If you find this video helpful, give me that thumbs up. That helps the video so much. And also, if you do shop through my links, you guys, we do get a small commission from that, which is helpful for us. So we love the support and appreciate the support. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not become part of this family, and turn your notification bell on, because y'all know how these deals work. They are in moment of, and they move quick and they move fast. They sell out of stock. Coupons expire, deals expire too. So make sure you guys turn that notification bell on so you can get notified. All right, let's jump into this video. I'm gonna try my best to kind of like organize it into categories, but I got a little bit of everything for everyone. Okay, all right, let's get started. A kitchen favorite is this oil dispenser. I love this because it's a 2-in-1 oil dispenser. It's made of glass and it holds 16 ounces. This extremely helpful and useful gadget is marked down to $5.64 currently. This is such a genius product. It not only sprays, but it also pours. Another one of my favorite kitchen organization finds is this double layer kitchen drawer organizer. This is awesome for utensils and different items for your kitchen because it has multiple use storage sections. Now listen, a portable vacuum is something I have to have. I actually have multiple of these. This one is the Eufy. It is marked down on sale today at 43% off. It's handy for taking around your home, vacuuming drawers and little corners. You can have them even in your car. This 4-in-1 colander bowl set can save you so much time and space because you can do multiple things. You can use it as a mixing bowl, use it as a storage bowl. You can chop in this, and it does come with different inserts. You can also wash and drain your fruit and veggies right in this gadget too. As of filming this, it is currently marked down 38% off. Plus, there's a coupon on the product page for another 15% off. So make sure to go clip that as well. One of my favorite home finds in my pantry, and you guys love this too, is this infamous acrylic bread box. It's huge. It comes with 2 pieces. It's currently marked down 31% off, and I can see when my bread is running low. An easy way to cut down on your clanging of noises in your pots and pan drawers, and also protect them as well, are these pot and pan protector pads. It definitely cuts down on the clanging and the noises of grabbing pans, which is helpful when you have kids sleeping, but also it protects your cookware. Currently less than $10 for a 12-piece set. And as a mom of 2, I have tested every lunchbox on the market, and this one right here is hand down my favorite. I recommend this to every parent out there or grandparent if you're packing your kids lunches. These are dishwasher safe. They come with a removable divider, which I love, but they're easy to upkeep and they last a long time. The lid is attached to it as well, and they're easy open for your little toddlers. One of my favorite ones on the market. I recommend grabbing this deal at nearly half off. Another one of my kitchen favorites is this large stone drying mat. It has legs on the bottom for easy cleaning up under it, and it dries water instantly. Love, love, love having this, and it cuts down on mold and mildew in my kitchen and drying dishes. The Shark Stratos. Oh my God, y'all. This price is 50% off. So I do a lot of testing, but this one I wanted so badly, and it is so well worth it. I had to pay double the price, but I love this vacuum and I highly recommend it. This is a vacuum that has so many added features on it, and with dogs and kids, this is one that has 2 brush heads on it. I've never had to clean it, and it works extremely well and is super flexible. Grab this at 50% off. Now, as I mentioned, I do a lot of cleaning around my home, so having an upholstery cleaner is a must. I've used several different brands over the years. My all-time favorite as of right now is the Hoover Clean Slate. This guy is so amazing. The head is double the twice of other brands, and it cleans extremely well. As you can see, I am showing these stains are weeks old. I had like chocolate and I think grape juice, just lots of different colors that's sitting in here for weeks, and this guy got it up easily, okay? I love this so much. I do recommend grabbing one, and I love that it's portable too. The deal on this is 40% off. So if you do have to do a lot of cleaning around your home, whether ottomans and sofas and different type of upholsteries, this is one you can definitely grab at almost half off right now, and I recommend. And since, again, we're talking about cleaning, if you have carpets and rugs, this right here, the Smartwash, is a carpet cleaner that I highly recommend and we use all the time because it works so amazing. And this one is easy because you don't have to do any mixing of the solution. You just put your solution in the solution tank. And the shampooer actually does the mixing for you. It's so easy to use. My husband loves to use this. He will use this and shampoo all the rugs in the house because it's that easy. There's no buttons. You don't have to worry about pushing buttons unless you just want to dry only, because it does dry. It dries when you pull it back. It pulls up the shampoo and dries at the same time. If you just want to run it on dry, you can do that too. But a game changer for keeping your house clean. And like I said, I got kids and dogs. That is currently marked down about $100 off. Let's talk about color catchers. I don't think people have gotten hooked to these yet. These are awesome when you don't feel like or don't want to separate your colors. You want to save time, just put clothes in the wash machine, all different colors. Grab you some color catchers. They have a bulk of these on deal right now. And my son has been washing his clothes since he was been one. And one thing we don't do is separate. We just wash them all together and we put a color catcher in there, and it's been working for years. So, I mean, coming from somebody who used these, and we always have them, grab the bulk buy if you want to save on time, cut down on your loads, and wash light colors and colors, dark colors together. Just put your color catcher in there to catch all the extra dye, and they work awesome. So the value pack is on sale. You get 4 big packs, and each pack has 72 sheets in them. So you do get a lot. This is currently marked down to $42.52 if you do want to grab you a set of those. Again, great when you don't have the time to separate, don't feel like separating, or you want your kids to just be able to throw their loads in the wash machine. Another deal is on this bamboo garment hanger. So you can use this for however you like. You can hang jackets on it. You can hang shoes, clothes on here. It does collapse and fold up to save space. This is ultimately going to my laundry room, but I just pulled it out so you guys could see it. But great storage on this. This is currently marked down 20% off. This girl stuff organizer is so cute. Currently marked down $16.78. Great for hiding your necessities in plain sight. This muslin blanket is so soft. So all my people who love blankets, we love blankets in this house, including my kids. This one is a thick muslin cotton blanket that you can use to cuddle with. You can use to layer on your bed with. Currently is marked down 41% off. If you're looking for a piece of furniture from Amazon, look no farther than this adorable nightstand. I love this. I love the color of it. I love the functionality of it. It has plugs on top, so you can easily plug things in right behind. You also have spaces for like books and things you want to store. You have drawers that come with this, and it's scalloped, textured on the front. This is currently coming in at $118.97. You can also find some air purifiers on deal. This one right here is currently marked down to $29.99, coming in at 40% off. It's great for bedrooms. It's not big, it's not bulky, and this is currently my son's room. As you can see, it just matches and blends in and look very modern. The Sony wireless headphones also on deal too at $38. Such a great grab. Comes in a ton of colors. This will make a great Christmas gift idea. They do come with Bluetooth and a microphone as well. Having a chalkboard calendar has been so helpful in a household for keeping everybody on schedule for what's going on for the month. This is currently on sale right now at Amazon for about 15% off. Plus, as of today, there's another 12% off coupon the brand is running on the page. So make sure to go redeem that extra coupon for a total of 27% in savings. This also has a bulletin board on the bottom and a note section on the side. And here's a little secret. This is actually therapeutic for me, filling out the chalk and writing on it. A couple Christmas trees are also marked down right now, right in time for the holidays. This was the 12-foot partially flocked Christmas tree that is marked down about 20% off. Now they also have the 9-footer on deal too, marked down to a little over $170 if you want to grab that one too. Just as beautiful, but I'm living for slim trees this season because they save so much space. And if you're trying to get your cars organized, this front seat core organizer is awesome. I actually use it in my trunk, but it has so many different spaces and sections for organizing with, currently on deal as well. The lip mask is on deal too from Grace and Stella. I love this one. It makes your lips so soft and so moisturized. You can get the 1-pack for $7 or the 3-pack for a little over $15. These are make for great gift ideas. Save one for yourself and give 2 of them away. But yes, if you want those luscious lips, grab you some of that. And lastly, the to-go mouthwashes are marked down for the bulk pack with a coupon on it too. So these are great for keeping your breath refreshed. If whether you're at work or on the go, grab you some of these. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Turn your notification bell on.